What's up, YouTube? So, I just picked up this 1995 Chevy G20 conversion van, right? Story that I was told, single family van since new. The family bought it in Florida, then drove it to Oklahoma. It's where it spent all of its life. So, um, I guess the grandfather of who I got it from passed away, and he said that before it was parked, it overheated, and then the grandfather parked it, got sick, unfortunately passed away. So I just got it. U-Haul trailered it. I'll insert little pictures as I go through. Um, U-Hauled it. There's a tire that's the valve stem is bad, so I have to replace the valve stem. Like, there's little things that's going on with it. So I tried to start it up yesterday, put a new battery in it, and it's just cranking and cranking and cranking. So I'm thinking the fuel pump is out. I don't hear the fuel pump coming on. So today I'm gonna get some starter fluid just to see if it'll actually crank, see if it'll run long enough to see if there's anything wrong with the engine. You go ahead. Whenever. Yeah, definitely fuel pump. Yeah, I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm not expecting to run it long enough for it to reach operating temperature or anything like that, or to verify that it overheated. I just want to know, is this motor good or not? Like, my plan is to, if I have to, I'd rather put like a 5.3 and 4L60 in it or something like that. Like, I don't mind if that's what it takes, but I've always wanted one of these kind of vans. It's the high top conversion van. It has the TV in it, has the folding bed in the back. Yeah, it's quite impressive. So just the minor things now. That folds up to a seat. So my dad had one, my grandfather had one, I've had uncles that has had these vans. So it's just always been a thing to me growing up as a kid. I was like, when I get older, I want one, and I finally got one. So it's not a overnight plan. Like, I don't plan to just dump all my money into it and get it running. Like, I don't care if it takes 3-5 years, to get it how I want, because that's my plan. Like, I plan on having it for a long time to travel. So, but I'll turn you guys back on once I get to the van. All right, y'all, we at the van. So get the hood opened up. All right, got my starter fluid. I sprayed in here, and yeah, look at that, man. And let's see if we get any kind of action. Damn, battery died. Let me check the terminals. I just put the battery in here yesterday. Yeah, need to get some pliers. Yeah. cable's just hand tight. So, yeah. Could just be dead. Yeah, well, I think it's loose because I'm not even... I mean, it could be dead too. It could be something draining it. Maybe I left the light on, but they're definitely loose. So let me get some pliers and tighten this up. All right. All right, that should be good. If not, then I gotta something is draining this battery. Yep, I knew it was fuel related. Let me hold on a minute. So I don't want to rely on this too much, but I at least want to see if I can catch it. If I can catch it, meaning start it, it runs, and I can get to the front and keep it running. No, I'm not gonna be able to. Not on camera, at least. You go ahead. Whenever. Yeah, definitely a fuel pump. Yeah, I ain't gonna worry about it.